In this video I will show you how to add discrete and field outputs in Quanscient Allsolve. I have prepared this simple model with the copper coil and some air around it. I have also set up the magnetics and current flow physics so that we put the current through this coil and see the magnetic field generated around the coil. To see these fields, we add some outputs in the simulation. First, the magnetic flux density, then the electric potential field, and current density. And since we don't want the current density or electric potential field in the air, since there is no potential or current there, we select the copper as target for these fields. And because our physics is harmonics, we get the both harmonic 2 and harmonic 3 for each field automatically here. Then we can set for the magnetic flux density the air as the target, like this. And that's field outputs. But for example, if we want to calculate the magnetic energy, we can add a discrete output. We select custom and let's call it magnetic energy. And we can write an output expression which also can use integrals to actually calculate some output quantities. So for the magnetic energy, we'll write integrate, and we use the region air, and then the formula is that we take the transpose of the second harmonic of the magnetic field strength H field, and then multiply or take the matrix product with the second harmonic of the magnetic flux field. And we want to interpolate with order 3 for the integral. Then we apply, and for the purposes of this video I have already prepared a successful run with these outputs, so we can take a look at them. Here you can see the magnetic energy and the field values. There are also inductance set up here, and then if you want to see the discrete output values, you can take a look at the summary where you have the different discrete outputs here.